All right, fourth grade. Today we are going to be taking a look at how you will be graded and how to actually start 2-column notes for your TDA prompts, okay? Couple of things that I'll be looking for, okay, is the first thing is marking up the prompt, okay? We're going to go over that again as review. Making sure that you're writing a well-written restate and making sure it's indented. This is your first paragraph, so you need to indent the first paragraph. You need to make sure all 3 quotes, your text evidence, supports your main idea. Think about, okay, text evidence. What will I need to include if I'm including text evidence? You will need quotations, right? Because you're citing. All 3 quotes include a proper introduction. Conventions. You have complete sentences with correct capitals for the restate and quotes. You have correct punctuation for the restate and quotes. The restate and quotes are copied with correct spelling. The 3 main ideas are written correctly on the left side. Okay? This is how you will be graded, again, on your restate as well as finding text evidence for the main idea. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark up the following prompt. Jackie Mitchell made history when she pitched against the New York Yankees. Write an essay analyzing the character traits that made her a successful baseball player. Use evidence from Mighty Jackie, the strikeout queen, to support your response. Okay? First thing I want to do is find my background sentence. That is right here. Okay? Background sentence is number 1. Then there's 3 key words in every TDA prompt that you want to box. Can you find them? Yep, write an essay. Okay, good. Now, the other sentence we need to locate is the main topic sentence, which is right here. The character traits that made her a successful baseball player. Okay? Words like analyze and annotate, that is not part of this, and you will not include that in your restate. If you see anything like use evidence, that is also not going to be included in your restate, okay? It says, then write the restate on your notebook paper and set up your 2-column note sheet. Write the following main ideas on the left side of your paper, okay? So, as you can see, this is how you're gonna mark up your prompt. Find your background sentence, find your main topic sentence, and box those 3 words, write an essay. All right, I'll give you a moment to take a look at that. Okay, moving on. Next, this was Miss Chrisman's restate sentence. So I took my background sentence and combined it with my main topic sentence. Jackie Mitchell made history when she pitched against the New York Yankees. There are several character traits that made her a successful baseball player. Boom, that is my first paragraph. The only thing that I would want to make sure is that my restate sentence, I would want to indent this. But for this sake, I just wrote it on here. So you can see I have my background sentence, which is the first sentence. And the second sentence, that was my main topic sentence. Okay, now, I listed on here the main ideas which include the character traits, okay? So what we now need to do is I gave us the main idea. We need to start brainstorming evidence, okay? I have sentence starters on here, okay? That is really important that before you cite evidence, you're including a sentence starter. For example, on page 5, the author said. The author shares on page 5. The author shares in paragraph 2. Those are going to be sentence starters for your evidence. Okay. So, the first character trait that helped Jackie become successful is that she was hardworking. I'm going to go ahead and share with you my first piece of evidence, okay? The text says, and this is another sentence starter, she practiced pitching till it was too cold and dark to stay outside. She threw balls until her shoulder ached and her fingers were calloused. Okay, so what I did there is I just cited evidence to support my main idea. Okay, this example, this evidence supports the first character trait that helped Jackie become successful is that she was hardworking. Okay, the other thing I want to highlight is when you are stating your main idea, include transition words. Okay, I use the word the first. For my second example, I use another character trait. I could also write the second character trait. Okay, so main ideas, when you are stating your main idea, you want it to relate back to the question and include transition words, because eventually we're going to take our evidence and our main idea and turn that into writing. Okay, so that is an example of finding main idea and then using supporting evidence.